Are you tired of dust-covered keyboards, smudged screens, and grimy gadgets? Look no further than the Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit Laptop Cleaner. This all-in-one, multifunctional cleaning tool is designed to handle every nook and cranny of your electronics with ease. From laptops and tablets to earbuds and cameras, this kit is a must-have for maintaining your devices in pristine condition. Packed with a variety of professional tools, including a retractable brush, keycap puller, flocking sponge, metal pen tip, and multiple cleaning cloths, this kit offers everything you need for a thorough clean. The high-density brushes and soft lens pens work wonders on screens, keyboards, and delicate surfaces, while the unique right-angle cleaning cloth ensures even the tightest corners are spotless. Not only is the Ordilend Cleaning Kit practical, but it's also compact and portable. Whether you're working from home, on the go, or in the office, this lightweight kit fits effortlessly into your bag or desk drawer. It's the perfect gift for tech enthusiasts or anyone who loves spotless gadgets. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Click the link below to grab your Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit on Amazon today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button for more quality product reviews and recommendations.